Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
You didn't tell me we were recording.
It's been recording. What do you think, I have a remote for this thing?
I don't know. Yeah?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We moved in together! In case you haven't seen the Asheville vlog, or what other vlog were you in?
I wasn't in any of it.
No, we did. We went somewhere.
You went to Canada.
Right, so if you haven't seen the Asheville vlog, then you probably haven't met Adam, my boyfriend, but he moved in like 2 months ago. So this entire video is basically a lie because he didn't just move in. He lived in Detroit. Would you like to talk? You talk.
About what? You do such a good job. Alright. I had a condo in Detroit, and we just decided that it was time that I was going to move in with this little girl here.
So we have some clips from his condo in Detroit and from before he moved, and I think we did an empty apartment tour after he moved. It's been a while. It's honestly been a little bit over 2 months, so the footage that we have is older. So anyway, I'm going to insert that now, and then I'm going to take you around to a couple of the rooms that have things that were from his place and show you guys a little update. I'm expecting this to be the Planet Fitness no judgment zone because our basement, we've basically been spending the summer enjoying the weather and not organizing. Okay, let's go back in time to June. Adam Coppersmith, can we see your crib?
Come on in. This is my giant living room with storage space.
Oh, so fancy. You have so much room for things. What do you do with all this alcohol?
Sarah drinks it all. We have storage for games and storage for books and a fireplace hiding behind my TV.
Ooh, is there anything in it? Amazon boxes! What's in the Amazon box?
No.
What's this view situation?
We've got a view of the Detroit River and Rivertown. And to the east or west, you'll see the Renaissance Center. The open kitchen.
Gotta have an open floor plan. Stainless appliances.
Granite counters.
Pasta brewing. Can we look inside your fridge?
Unit laundry.
Ooh. Can we look inside your fridge?
There's nothing in there.
You have to show the fridge. So much food.
Small storage closet right with Sarah's mirror. The bedroom.
That's not what you're supposed to say.
Come on into my bedroom.
No. Say the thing that they say. This is where the magic happens.
And here's where the magic happens. We've got the views with the windows that Sarah makes me close up at night.
Because it's creepy.
You can see the Ambassador Bridge in Canada. Shane Park, now the Aretha Franklin Amphitheater.
Oh, we also have an alarm clock. This is a vintage alarm clock.
I've had that since I was 12. Walk-in closet.
Oh, whose heels are those?
Chloe's. And my small bathroom.
Guys, he didn't have a mirror for the entire 9 months we've been dating. He just put it in like 2 weeks ago. So now I can brush my teeth and not have toothpaste all over my face.
This is my humble abode. Not that exciting.
You have to say the, now you have to get out.
Thanks for coming. Get out.
Everything is packed up. How are you feeling, babe?
Prepared.
You're supposed to say excited.
I am excited, but for moving, I'm prepared.
And this is the bedroom. We need a drill to take the bed apart, but everything else is all ready for mañana. Empty apartment, babe.
This is it. Saying goodbye.
It's so empty. And there's so many boats out there for the fireworks tonight. It's so creaky. Oh, I thought there was a light in here. No light. They're flying the Canadian flag.
All right, that's the wrap.
This is the guest room. If you guys recognize, this is Adam's bedroom set from his condo. And this is the dresser. And actually, this is what I got Adam for Christmas last year. It's a painting that my sister did of his house that he is currently restoring in Detroit. So that is the guest room. Observe Adam in his natural habitat, in his walk-in closet.
You didn't ever say crikey.
Huh? Kreineke?
Crikey.
What's that mean?
Babe, you've said it.
No, I had not.
Yeah.
Crikey. When I bought this house, I had a walk-in closet. This is in our bedroom, and I never used it. And so it was sitting empty. So this is Adam's closet. All right, babe, take it away.
It's just my closet. You got suits, shirts.
Hold on. We got
all organized
slow
here.
pan.
Pants organized here. Shoes stacked on the shelves, as well as sweatshirts piled above. Not everything fits. There's still things outside of the room, but it works well.
And he got his, this shoe rack is an Amazon find, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll link it for you guys. It's actually really sturdy. I haven't had a shoe rack that's sturdy like this, and it was really easy to put together. I don't think I've ever shown you guys the basement for good reason. When I bought this house, it was just like the brown paneling. It's definitely like 70s finished, so it's just been storage, but we moved most of Adam's stuff down here, like all of the extra boxes and stuff, and then it also has his living room. So It has some stuff from me. A lot of it is like garage sale stuff, but then just some of my stuff that I moved to make room for him. We have lots of extra things right now, but a lot of boxes that we haven't unpacked of his yet. And then this is his dresser from his bedroom and one of the other lamps. And then this is his living room set. So we have a lot of stuff. These shelves were in the guest room before. So we have lots of stuff to do still, lots of stuff to sell, lots of stuff to get rid of, but that is the current state of our very messy and full basement. Now you should do the outro, okay?
Oh,
just be cute and be nice. Hey. You just say, you wrap it up. Do you not want to? Do you not want to?
Okay.
Okay. God. You wrap it up. You say, okay. Living with Sarah has been the best thing that's ever happened in my entire life. And then you tell them how much you love it. Oh, you know what now is a good time for? Telling me how much you love me on video.
No.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for coming with us as we see the transition from my condo into living here. And hope you enjoyed seeing that, and just don't know what to say. I don't know what I'm doing here.
Sharing things with you guys, so we hope you enjoyed coming along. Did you just fart? Oh. And then at the end we go, bye guys!
No, it's bye guys!
Whatever. Okay, go for it.
Alright, thanks for coming along and seeing the transition and the moving vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to come back. Sarah will have more vlogs, and I'll make guest appearances that you'll definitely want to see. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and leave comments to let us know what you think.
Alright, we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye!
Bye!
That was fine. You did a good job. Go team.